The incoming PNP chief is Police Major General Nicolas D. Torre III. The turnover of command will happen June 2nd.
May 29, 2025, itinalaga ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos si Police Major General Nicolas Torre III as the next PNP chief. Papalitan niya si PNP Chief Police General Romel Marbil, whose extended term will expire on June 7, 2025. Si General Torre ay ipinanganak noong March 11, 1970 sa Jolo, Sulu. He serves as the Director of the Criminal Investigation and Detection Group or CIDG. A graduate of the Philippine National Police Academy or PNPA of class 1993.
Tama na! Mga gago kayo! Proteksyonan niyo siya! Wala kaming armas! Wala kaming armas!
In his last role, he led the police attempt to serve an arrest warrant against Pastor Apollo Kibuloy, founder and leader of the Kingdom of Jesus Christ Church, or tinatawag nating KOJC, who was charged with trafficking in March 2025. Si General Torre din ang nag-aresto kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte based sa warrant of arrest issued by the International Criminal Court or ICC for alleged crime against humanity.
By virtue of the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice.
Let's talk about it. What is, let's make it clear. But right now, what is clear?
What is clear is we need to do the booking process here.
Yeah, she's asking that she needs to run to the hospital.
Incoming PNP chief is Police Major General Nicolas D. Torre III. The turnover of command will happen June 2nd. We are grateful for the service of those who are stepping down. A smooth transition is being implemented to ensure continuity and stability in their respective institutions.
Ang turnover of command for General Torre ay gaganapin on June 2, 2025 at dito ay magiging ganap na siyang Chief of PNP, a Police 4-star General. General Torre will reach the mandatory retirement age of 56 nitong darating na March 2027. Marami ang natuwa sa kanyang pagka-promote at marami ding hindi natuwa at ayaw sa kanyang promotion. At yan ay depende kung saan side ka ng politika. Kung kayo ang aking tatanungin, okay ba sa inyo ang pagkatalaga kay General Torre bilang PNP Chief or ayaw ninyo? Paki-comment lang guys.